If you've been outside today, chances are you already know it's cold. Lake effect snow and wind are expected to stick around for parts of Northeast Ohio. So let's check in with Jessica Van Meter for the latest on the forecast as we continue our weather impact alert this evening. Hey, Jessica.
Hey there. Yeah, we are going to have that weather impact alert going through tonight and into tomorrow. We've got lake effect snow that's working on setting up, and that's going to continue, especially for areas of the primary snow belt tonight and into at least the first half or more of tomorrow. All of us will be dealing with cold, windy conditions, but primarily the snow belt. We're going to look at slick spots, some slow travel certainly going to be possible as the snow flies and really starts to stick more efficiently than what we had with any snow we saw earlier today. Right now we do have snow falling, especially east of the Cleveland area. We've got some of that coming in off of the lake and developing for the snow belt areas. We've seen a couple of flurries, some light snow on and off through Cleveland over the last couple of hours, but majority of the action out across Lake, Geauga and Ashtabula County, even far northern Trumbull County. Some good moderate snow, at least some pockets of heavier snow possible in there. As these bands continue to develop tonight, we could have some 1 inch per hour snowfall rates. So that could really add up, especially now that our temperatures are below freezing. That wind is coming in primarily from the west, some gusts over 30 miles per hour. With that westerly wind, we're going to maintain that lake effect snow primarily for the primary snow belt east of Cleveland. Temperatures in the 20s tomorrow morning. Lake effect snow will be ongoing. We'll have a little less of that by the time we get into the evening, but it is going to stay cold all day long, all week long. We're talking more cold, more snow with your full forecast.
Thanks, Jessica. We'll check back in with you in just a bit. Now, ODOT is more than ready for this multi-day snow event. Spokesperson Brent Kovacs confirms with 3 News they will have about 250 plow trucks out working on the roads in Northeast Ohio. He also shared some reminders for drivers who are heading out.
Give our plow trucks plenty of room to work and don't expect that the roads are going to be perfect. We're going to do the best that we can to keep the roads safe and passable for everyone, but that doesn't mean you can go the normal speed limit.
Now, Kovacs also recommends using OGO. It's a website and app for real-time traffic updates.